Plant a tree, watch it grow.
Give it water, let it grow.
Give it water,
Hi everyone, my name is Abel Ethiopista and I work with the Kenneth Kakuru Earth Reboot Initiative.
Hi, my name is Rosie Triza Kakuru Ngabo. I am the founder of the Kenneth Kakuru Earth Reboot Initiative. And right now we are in Hoima City. We are here to carry out an environmental education and tree planting initiative at Mpora Primary School. The reason why we're here is our core objective is to restore degraded landscapes through tree planting.
We are going to be specifically planting indigenous tree species like the Musizi, which is the Mesopsis eminei, and the famous Prunus africana, which is supposedly the tree that is used for herbal medicine to treat prostate cancer.
So my name is Patrick Tumosige, Deputy Teacher Mpora Primary School, a government-aided school. This school was founded way back in 1968. I'm very grateful on behalf of the head teacher, who is not with us, has gone on official duties, to receive our visitors from Kenneth Kakuru Earth Reboot Initiative. Their objective is to sensitize the communities around, especially beginning with institutions like schools, and talking to children so that they can know the importance of trees. And we are very proud that they are basically promoting the growing of the indigenous trees, teaching about the younger generation, because today, as we know, our generation is after destroying the environment which was left behind by our grandparents in search of money. So they are now after restoring that environment and putting that knowledge right from these children who are still young, so that they can grow with that information, at least with the slogan of cut one, plant two.
I'm Robert Lukaimura Kiki Sabarongo, the Social Affairs Officer, Bunyuruksa Kingdom. I'm very grateful to Kenneth Kakuru Earth Reboot Initiative for the love of nature. Actually, I'm impressed as when I see young people having that initiative and love to do planting of trees and the other activities at conservation. I'm very grateful on behalf of the kingdom, and I implore you to keep the initiative, and we pledge as a kingdom to support it, since it has been part and parcel of our work. And seeing young people at the front line, I believe that we are going to manage the challenge of climate change, as well as rehabilitating Mother Earth.
Here in Hoima, we basically have two seasons. The first season, where we receive heavy rains, begins from around mid-March up to late May. So from mid-May to almost June, that's around 3 weeks or a month, we have a short dry spell, locally known as a kasambura. So this is the period when people are harvesting their crops, they are drying them, preparing them for the second season. So we expect more rains to appear or reappear early August. So that's when we expect more rain. And in that period, we can as well plant more trees, because that period will begin from August up to late December.
So we take part in environmental education because it's very important to talk to our kids who are supposedly going to be the generation who will grow up to be the adults with a green mindset. It is significant to restore our landscapes with indigenous tree species because they are the ones that have been existent, and we assume that they have all the ways of surviving in the land already.
So we are very grateful to this initiative, the Kenneth Kakuru Earth Reboot Initiative, for having basically amongst the schools in this area chosen Mpora Primary School